Welcome to the heart of our operations. Today's harvest has just arrived from the local farms. We process thousands of tons of raw cassava daily, starting with this massive automated intake system. First, these high-frequency vibrating screens remove any soil and debris from the surface.
Next, high-pressure hydrojets strip away every last impurity, revealing the clean roots inside.
Our automated rotary peelers efficiently remove the outer skin while preserving the starch-rich core.
Only the purest, whitest roots move forward to the next stage of processing.
These high-torque grinders pulverize the roots into a fine mash, maximizing starch extraction.
The consistency is perfect. This mash is now ready for the enzymatic breakdown.
Every drop is moved through our closed-loop system directly to the cooking stage.
In the jet cooker, the mash is heated instantly with live steam to break down the starch structure.
We inject specific enzymes here to trigger liquefaction, turning thick mash into a fermentable liquid.
Maintaining the perfect temperature profile is critical for the highest quality yield.
Liquefaction is complete. The starch has successfully converted into fermentable sugars.
Now we cool the mixture down to the exact temperature required for the yeast to thrive.
Everything starts with our proprietary yeast strain, carefully activated to ensure a clean fermentation.
This is where the magic happens. Hundreds of thousands of liters fermenting simultaneously under strict control. Over the next 72 hours, the yeast will convert all available sugars into raw alcohol.
We monitor the temperature and pH levels in real time to maintain the perfect environment for the yeast.
The alcohol content is exactly where it needs to be. We're ready for distillation.
Now the fermented liquid enters our multi-stage distillation columns to be purified into high-proof spirits. Precise heat application allows us to vaporize the alcohol while leaving impurities behind.
The copper interacts with the vapors, stripping away unwanted sulfates for a much smoother finish. We are now collecting the heart of the run, the purest part of the distillation process.
Testing at 96% purity. This spirit meets our highest premium standards.
To achieve ultimate clarity, we pass the spirit through activated carbon filters to remove any remaining trace impurities.
We blend the pure spirit with crystal clear demineralized water to reach the perfect drinking proof. This final sub-micron polish ensures the liquid is absolutely sparkling before it hits the bottle.
Agitation ensures a perfectly homogeneous blend, guaranteeing consistency in every single batch.
Chemical profile confirmed. This batch is officially certified for premium bottling.
Before filling, every bottle undergoes a multi-stage sterilization process to ensure absolute purity.
Our vacuum pressure fillers guarantee a precise volume in every bottle, down to the last milliliter.
A tamper-evident seal is applied immediately to lock in the freshness and premium quality.
The final touch, our premium label, a symbol of the hard work and science behind every drop.
Flawless clarity, perfect seal. This bottle is ready for the world.
Efficiency is key. Our robotic packers handle thousands of cases an hour with zero breakage. Every pallet is tracked and verified, ensuring our global distributors receive exactly what they ordered.
Destination: international markets. This batch is ready for departure.
From the farm to the glass, We deliver excellence across every continent. Premium liquor, born from tons of cassava and refined by science. That's our promise to the world.
At the molecular level, we unlock the hidden energy within every cassava root.
Our copper stills aren't just for show. They are vital in creating that signature smooth finish.
We harness the power of steam to drive our entire production chain.
Nothing goes to waste. The leftover cassava pulp is converted into nutrient-rich organic fertilizer. We capture the methane from our waste to power our own boilers, creating a carbon-neutral production loop.
The water we return to the environment is as clean as when it arrived, thanks to our advanced reclamation system.
We are constantly experimenting with new formulas to push the boundaries of premium spirits.
Our facility exceeds international standards, ensuring safety and quality for every market we serve.
The final shipment is cleared. These containers are headed to markets across Europe and North America. Every single bottle is tracked in our global database, ensuring real-time inventory management for our partners.
From our local farms to the world's largest ports, our reach knows no boundaries.
First delivery of the day. The premium collection has arrived in the city.
Exquisite. This is exactly what our discerning customers have been waiting for.
The nose is exceptionally clean, with subtle notes of earthy sweetness that only the finest cassava can provide.
Whether neat or in a signature cocktail, this spirit is the new gold standard for versatility.
To quality and the journey from farm to glass. Cheers!
Our passion for perfection never sleeps. This is our legacy, distilled for the world to enjoy.